Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So lately I have been really into fall clothing and I can't wait for fall. I'm just so ready for it. It has been a crazy hot summer here and we usually don't have humidity, so it's been crazy hot and humid. So it's just, I'm over it and I'm so ready for fall. So for today's look, I wanted to bring a fall look to you guys. Super gorgeous, super easy. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer. So before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are new. I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here 3 times a week. And you want to make sure you hit that bell notification so that way you are notified every single time I upload. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and did my base off camera. I've been doing my foundation and base a little bit differently recently, and I'm really loving the way it looks. It just looks so smooth, so airbrushed, and yet it has a little bit of glow. As you can see, I didn't even put on highlighter yet. So I will leave the products that I used down below for my base, but now I'm going to zoom you guys in and let's get started on these eyes. Okay, so to start this look, I'm just going to take my Louise Base in Rumour 1, and I'm going to just place this base basically from right above my natural crease to the brow bone area, because I'm going to do something different for my lid, so I don't need to double prime my eyes, if you will. Okay, so next up I'm going to take my Patrick Star Visionary palette and I'm going to start with the shade Taupe of My Game, which is this light brown right here, and then I'm going to put the darker brown, which is called Brownie, on top, and I'm just going to blend it from right above my crease to the outer corner, and I'm just going to dip back into both colors and just kind of blend it out really nicely, just as our guide. Okay, so next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Louise Base in black, and I'm just going to start cutting out my crease. Now, like I always mention, because I have hooded eyes, I do have to give myself essentially a new crease. So I will be carving out slightly above my natural crease, and I'm only going to take it about 3/4 of the way. Once I am done doing that, you guys can take any iridescent shade that you have. I'm going to use this shade Stars and Rockets from MAC Cosmetics, which is this one right here. It's kind of a pinky purple duochrome. This was actually my first MAC product that I've ever purchased in my life. Not this exact one, but that color. And I just love the way it looks over black shadow or a black base. Okay, so the eyes on top are basically done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Patrick Star One Size Beauty Visionary palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Brownie again. And please excuse my nails. I'm probably going to do them tonight. I haven't had a chance to do them with homeschooling and everything starting. It's been a crazy week. So I'm just going to take that on a pointer brush, and I'm just going to take this and apply it under my lash line. Okay, so next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil from Essence. This one is amazing for the waterline. I have very watery eyes, and this one never runs on me and it never bleeds. It's amazing. It truly stays put. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to take a little bit more of the brownie shade, and I'm just going to apply it with a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to smoke out the area between my waterline and where my under eye starts. Is looking so gorgeous. I love this look. Sometimes it's really fun to play up with your makeup. I usually never do dark looks ever unless I'm going to like a gala or something like that. So I don't know. I'm just in a dark makeup kind of look right now, and I'm loving it so far. It's gorgeous. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my all-time fave, cult favorite, my Essence liquid liner. I'm going to apply my liner, and I will be right back. Okay, so next up, I'm going to apply my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume, and I got this in the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale Charlotte Tilbury gift set. It was the one with the 2 Eyes to Mesmerize pots, and I'm loving this. It's really lightweight, but it builds really nicely. So I'm going to apply that to my lashes, and then I'm going to go in with my Kiss lashes. This is in the style Corset. These are not too dramatic, but gives a little bit of drama to the eye. I didn't want anything too dramatic because I still wanted to be able to see my eye look. So I'm going to apply these two real quick, and I will be right back to show you kind of the final eye look. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like so far. Okay, you guys, so let's finish off this look. For highlight, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlight palette, and this is the one that's called the Flare, so it's the darker one of the two. And I'm going to take the shade Media Look, which is this one. So this is the lightest one, this is the medium one. And I'm just going to apply that on my Morphe brush. So pretty. I love her highlights. I think they're so gorgeous. And I'm going to take a little bit of Morphe setting spray, and I'm just going to mist my brush. And what I like to do is I like to apply the highlight first, just to kind of get the pigment there, the glow there, and then I like to just go in and just put a little bit of the wet highlighter on top just to give it a little extra punch. And I'm not soaking my brush or getting it super wet, and I'm not applying a lot. I'm tapping. I don't like to swipe because I feel like it removes the powders underneath. So for me, when I apply highlight, I usually like to tap and not like go really hard, swiping motions. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, what brush is this? This is a MAC 286 SE brush. I think the SE stands for Special Edition. This was, I don't remember which one, but it was definitely a holiday set, I believe. But I'm still taking that same highlight shade, and I'm going to apply a little bit under the brow bone area. And I'm just going to take a smidge and just dot it in the inner corner. I don't really want a full shimmer in the inner corner, but when I move and when the light hits that inner corner area, I want it to reflect the light. And one tip I have for you guys, when you are highlighting your face, don't put it where everybody puts it. Kind of look at your face and see where the light hits your face, because everybody's bone structure and everybody's face is different. So if yours hits a little bit higher, maybe put it there instead of a little bit lower. Or if you hit light right here, just put a little bit right there. But I think when we see everybody apply makeup on Instagram, everybody's starting to do the same placement for highlight or bronzer, but I think it's really important that we remember that all of our faces are different. So you need to put the highlight or bronzer where it best suits you. And for me, you know, I've seen people put it on their cheeks, their apples of their cheeks. I don't have apples to my cheeks. I have flat cheeks. So I just apply it where my face naturally gets, reflects the light. Okay, so to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta lip liner. This is the Precision Lip Crayon, and it is in the shade She's Bold. Okay, so I have my lip liner on. For lipstick, I'm just going to go in with a really light nude. This is the Huda Beauty lipstick in Staycation. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's matte, but it's very moisturizing. It almost feels like a lip balm consistency, so I really like that. And then what I like to do is I just like to go back in with my lip liner and just kind of blend where the lip liner and the lipstick meet, that middle section, just so that it's not a super harsh line. It just kind of ombres together and looks super pretty. Alright you guys, so that completes today's look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would love to see your recreations of this look. So if you recreate it, make sure you tag me so I can check it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and you want to make sure you hit that bell on your way out. And just as a reminder, you guys, the Nordstrom anniversary sale is still going on. It opened to the public on the 19th and it goes until the 30th. So don't forget to go check that out and purchase any of the items that you had on your wish list. I am wearing some of the items from the Nordstrom anniversary sale today, so I will link those down below in case you guys like anything. And I will see you guys all very soon. Bye guys.